At Jules, we believe in the power of natural ingredients to enhance your hair's beauty and health. Our ultimate hair repair solution is our R2 Repair and Restore Shampoo and Conditioner Bundle. Designed to nourish, strengthen, and revive damaged hair, this duo is packed with powerful natural ingredients. Our R2 shampoo, infused with keratin and proteins, gently cleanses your hair while restoring its strength. It repairs damaged strands from the inside out, leaving your hair smoother and more resilient. Follow up with our R2 conditioner, formulated with coconut, olive, and avocado oils to deeply hydrate and protect your hair. This luxurious conditioner reduces frizz, boosts shine, and locks in moisture, making your hair soft and manageable. Together, this powerful duo repairs damage, restores elasticity, and strengthens your hair, giving you the healthy, vibrant look you've always wanted. Say goodbye to damaged, lifeless hair and experience the transformation with Jules's R2 shampoo and conditioner bundle. Shop now at julesbeauty.com.